Today we are in the city of Long Beach. A lot of great things have happened over here in the city of Long Beach. The movie Going 60 Seconds was filmed over here, but today we have this. The last Egos and Coffee of 2019. It seems like everybody wanted to be part of it. Even me, even I brought my BMW M4 because I wanted to be part of it, of the last Egos and Coffee of the year. We have everything here. We have different car communities that wanted to be part of this last event of the year. Then it's important for us, car enthusiasts. Here we have the man behind all this. City Euros.
What's going on?
This Egos and Coffee, the last Egos and Coffee of the year, was possible because of him. He informed us that this was going to be happening today. So, tell us, what was your inspiration to make this last Egos and Coffee of the year?
So my inspiration basically was just to get all the, our European community together for the last Euros and Coffee of the year, just to get everybody together. I know a lot of people are on vacation and not in the city, but the closest members that we have and supporters came out today. It's like having a big family reunion before the year ends, before we start with another big year. Hopefully.
That's good. That's the spirit. That's how we have to end 2019. Can you tell us what are your goals for next year, for 2020? What do you have for us? The BMW community, I am part of the BMW community, but we are part of the Euro community too. So what do you have for us prepared for 2020?
For 2020, my plans are to get more people together, more Europeans, Italians, all of the cars that connect with Europeans. So just get more people out, get more gatherings. Maybe have once a year like a European barbecue, so we can all get to know each other and become a big family.
That's good. That's good. That's the spirit. That's how we have to picture 2020. And also, can you tell us what car communities are you inviting? I mean, is there any specific community you are inviting to this community to be part of it?
Every community, any JDM, Europeans, Italians, as long as you guys keep it respectful in our events, you guys are always welcome.
You hear that? So everybody's welcome to Egos and Coffee. It doesn't matter if you're Japanese, it doesn't matter if you have Americans. It doesn't matter as long as you come over here, come respectful, and just share your enthusiasm with everybody and be part of the car meet and enjoy it the way we are doing it today. And last question for you. What do you have to say to everybody that came today to be part of this car meet?
I really appreciate them, every single one. I really, they always come out no matter what time I tell them to come out. Early in the morning, it's holiday season, and they're here. They're supporting us, and that's our backbone. You get me? They're supporting us, so that's what makes us big.
That's loyalty. That's about the car community, loyalty. That's the way we have to keep it. And 2020 is gonna be a great year for all of us. And if you continue doing car meets like that, pretty sure we're gonna be bigger and bigger.
Yes, I will.
So thank you for making this car meet for all of us. And wanna see more of this right now. Thank you.
Right, man. Thank you for coming out, appreciate it.
Well, let's go check some cars. We have a pack of E92s over here. 335s, M3s. Alright, E46, M3, 335 over here. M3CS. Here we have Johnny. Johnny, I'm Francisco.
Hey, Francisco.
He has this beautiful 2002 BMW. Tell me about your car. What you feel when someone see you are driving with this car? How you feel?
Well, the way I feel driving it, it's like it's freeing, it's fun. It's basically a getaway from driving. It doesn't drive like any other car.
I agree with that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
That's good. Yeah, I can tell. This one is a vintage car. This is super rare. It's not like you're gonna see it over the freeway every single day.
Yeah, parts are not very available.
Oh yes, that's another thing. That's the reason why you gotta keep it low mileage as well. Are you planning to sell it?
No
Are
way.
you planning to do any trade-ins?
Not at all. I've had this car for over 20 years. It's the first car I ever bought as a kid.
Oh.
Over 20 years ago. I haven't let go of it. It's a 1976, 2002, and I've had a lot of fun in it. A lot of different versions of it, a lot of modifications, but it's always a work in progress.
So you can see this is love to the brand. This is love to the vehicle. He loves his vehicle. That's the way BMW's owners are. They love BMW, and we can see in an example he got it in a perfect shape, and it's because he put dedication to his vehicle. Now tell me, have you ever done any modifications to it?
Quite a bit. The original bumpers are gone. I had the aftermarket spoiler here. It originally comes with a metal belt trim, they call it. I took it off to do a lot of body work, but I'm planning to put the belt trim back on. The turn signals are different. The originals are like a bubble shape.
Yes.
These are original Italian version Euro turn signals. Very rare. The originals, they make these anymore. These are original German versions. The interior originally was a tan color, had everything reupholstered as original, and obviously the wheels are thicker, a little bit lower, and even the engine's gone through a few conversions. I've blown up the engine driving it so much.
BMW owner, we can see a BMW owner there.
Yeah. Currently, I originally come with a 4-cylinder carburetor engine. That blew out, so experimenting now, and I put a 1985 318i.
Yeah, I saw that
engine.
fuel injection there. That's like kind of like, yes, that's not, but still. I really love his car. The reason why I love his car, because this is what it used to be BMW. In the generation where there were no computers, there were not any electronic assistance, anything that will help you to drive the car. It was you in the car. Congratulations.
Cool. Thanks.
This car is a beauty, and hopefully we can see it soon again in a different meet.
Yeah.
Then we have this entry. This is a e-Tori entry, but it is just different. Here we have that. We have here a S54 engine. This BMW entry e-Tori has a newer engine on it. It's a highly modified BMW entry. Actually, it's amazing to see that someone put so much effort to this vehicle to make this engine, this massive engine, fit in this little compartment. It's super tight. Everything is super tight. Even you can see that the fan, the cooling fan in the front is not even there. It is in the front of the radiator because there is no room for this engine. But it is amazing that someone did something like this. And the person who is behind this BMW M3 is right here. Here is his Instagram account. You can follow him if you want to know more about his BMW M3 e-Tori. Amazing vehicle, amazing sample of what you can do if you really want to do the best out of it. And here we have Cody. He has this beautiful e-Tori M3. Can you tell us more about your car?
It's a 1990 E30 M3, all original, factory except for the suspension, ground control suspension, front strut, has aftermarket rotiform wheels, Besides that, everything's factory. Oh, it has a super sprint exhaust too.
Oh, it sounds good, man.
48,000 miles.
Oh, 40,000 miles?
Yeah.
On this one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what we're talking about.
Yeah.
That's how you have to keep your BMW low
30
mileage.
years old, all original, pretty much.
Yeah, that's
2,000 miles a year, basically.
So yes, that's like,
less,
whoa,
yeah.
that's super low. See, that's how you keep your BMW low mileage. And this is a good sample of it. And original engine S14 for the M3. Not like the other one we saw over there, the other E30 over there. It has a S54 engine.
Yeah.
But this one has the original engine.
This
Factory. So that's the cool thing. See, everything original, everything is in good condition. Right, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Cool, man.
Out of all the cars in this car meet, the one that impressed me the most is this M5, a 2006 BMW M5, a E60 M5. This BMW M5 is known because of problems. Everybody knows about this engine failed so easy. This BMW M5 has the V10 under the hood, the S85 V10 engine. This is a F1 engine. This is a engine inspired by F1 Formula cars. Very strong engine, 500 horsepower under the hood. And more amazing is it has a manual transmission. Super rare to find one of these with manual transmission, and this one has it. I'm pretty sure that to maintain this BMW M5 is not so easy because too many problems, rod bearings, oil pumps, and so other problems that cost thousands of dollars to repair. And that's why I am amazed that someone is willing to deal with all these problems to keep this BMW M5 over the roads. It's amazing to see it, and it's a good sample. Then we, BMW community, we don't care. We just want to have a nice BMW, and we will do whatever it takes to keep it running. And to end this walk to the car meet, we're gonna have this one, N3CS. It was the last call of BMW, the last hit of BMW M3 on 2018, on that kind of time frame. When they came out with this, the CS, it has more horsepower and it is stripped down inside. Let's take a look so you can see what I'm talking about. And you only can buy it with the dual clutch transmission. That's the only option you have with this one. You cannot have it on manual. Also, if you wanna follow him, here is it. That is his Instagram page. See here his modifications in his engine. He got different type of modification, especially boost modifications. Pipes, see, cooler. This is for higher boost pressure. Keep that in mind, if you're looking for an M3 and you have the budget to buy one of these, just get one of these. When you buy one of these, you're not looking for luxury, you are looking for performance. And there you have it, the last Euros and Coffee of 2019. An event so important for all of us car enthusiasts. It was an amazing car meet. I enjoyed it so much. There's so many different vehicles over here, and being part of this community is very important. So next month, which is going to be 2020, make sure to follow Big City Euros on Instagram to know when is going to be the next car meet, starting 2020. That way we can make this car community better, bigger and stronger. Stay tuned on our channel i.e.euros for more helpful videos, repairs, car meets, and everything else we do on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We're gonna have some videos as well there. different content besides YouTube. So thank you for watching and see you 2020.